Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Automation Testing Insider. So if you remember, I have created a complete Selenium automation framework a couple of months ago, right? So if you navigate to our channel Automation Testing Insider, and you will find the video build a complete Selenium automation framework, which is 13 hours video, which I have created a couple of months ago. And that video contains everything from the how to build a framework from scratch. So if you navigate to that video and just navigate to the description box of that video, where I kept everything, what are the things which we have covered as part of that video, how to build a framework from scratch, right? And if you remember, when I have created that framework, so after that I launched a documentation as well, right? How the detail level documents, how to create the framework, correct? So today we are going to discuss about what it contains, like the framework documentation and how to get it, right? So many people are asking about how to get the documents, right? So let me talk about it, how to get the documents and what it contains, right? So if you go to our ATI Digital Hub website, atidigitalhub.mindstormojo.com, I'll provide the link in the description box of this video, and you need to navigate to this automation testing section, and at the end of that, Selenium Automation Framework complete guide will be there. So here we have the product description as well, what are the tools and technologies which we have used to build this document, right? Basically I have followed the framework which I have created, and along with that I have created the documentation for that. So you can see this course bundle has these 8 main documents. So let me open in the folder. So here we have all the documents this course contains, right? So automation framework will complete guide. So if I open it over here, complete Selenium test automation framework, and here we have listed on all the topics like framework introduction and basics, correct? And if you just click on that, this is the PDF file, and you'll navigate to that particular section. What is test automation framework? I have given the proper definition, why do we need a framework, right? Framework overview, what are the different tools which we are going to use in the framework, different components of the framework, and some images as well I put, like the framework demo, like key highlights, what are the tools, what is the tools which we have used, what is the application, how many number of test cases are there, and what are the classes which we are going to integrate in our framework, base class, action driver, config reader. So I have given each and every details in this document, guys. Testing and execution tool, right? And you can see the framework folder structure as well. So structure I have given, prerequisites of the framework. So you can see some questions are also there, like what is the role of config.properties file, why did we choose TestNG instead of JUnit, and the corresponding part video also I have linked with this document. Similarly, you can see like part 2, framework environment setup, application and manual test case walkthrough. So every details I kept in this document, and at the end of a particular section I have written some questions as well. So you can see the screenshots, how to install Java, Eclipse, Selenium from the scratch. I have built this. You can see real-time interview questions and answers as well. So this is very useful document, and I have built this framework from the scratch, how to install Java, Eclipse and everything, all the tools, and we have built this framework. So this is the main document which we have in the framework bundle course, right? And if you see the other documents which I kept in this course, like the other, like Jenkins setup, set auto email when build is done in Jenkins, Selenium grid setup, all the documents are here, right? And this is the bonus, guys, Selenium top 100 questions and answers. These are the real time questions and answer with this framework bundle, right? Selenium basics, what and why, what is Selenium. So all basic questions are there. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily understand all the questions and answers over here. So I have written all the answers as well, right? So this is about the document which I have created. So how to get this document, right? So there are a couple of options you can get this document. The one is directly you can get it from the ATI Digital Hub website, atidigitalhub.mindstormojo.com, and you need to just go to the automation testing, and I have told right how to navigate to that, and you will find at the end of that we have this Selenium Automation Framework build complete guide, and you can buy it from here. We have UPIs and other payment options, so you can easily get it from here. This is the one of the options. Another one is when you navigate to our channel, and when you click on this join button, here you will get like support ATI, you will get the basic documents from this one, and ATI Pro Member, which is 159, and here you will get the document. Once you join this, you will get the link in the post section of that in our video, right? So this is how you get the documents, and you can see like many people already purchased this and they are really happy about it. I got so many emails. So you can also go ahead and purchase this document because this is really useful. See all the sections we have here, so you can just navigate to the particular section and how we have created the framework. You need to just follow the step-by-step process from here, and at the end of each section is, as I have told earlier, you have important questions and answers as well. So this is all about today, guys, which I wanted to talk about about the framework documentation which I have created. And if you haven't followed this video, like how we have created the framework in this 13 hours video, you can just follow this video and you can learn how to start creating the framework in Selenium. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.